Alam ba ang pera pwedeng maging sanhi ng hindi paglago or hindi pag-grow ng isang tao? To give you an example lang, for example lang, pinanganak akong mayaman sa isang mayamang pamilya, and I can look at money as if something that I'm entitled to, and therefore it can buy me the things that I want, it can bring me to the places that I want to go to. So lahat magagawa ko kasi marami akong pera, no? But look at what will happen, no? Actually, God gave us the potential, no, to grow and to mature and to discover ourselves, no? Pero mangyayari nun, kung ganun lang ang buhay, it's all about money, hindi na ako mag-grow at hindi ko na mati-discover yung sarili ko at yung potential na binigay sa akin ng God, hindi ko mararating. Hindi ko rin mararating yung aking purpose. Ang naging purpose ko sa buhay is para lang magpasasa. Look at money this way, no? It is given to us, not as an entitlement, but for us to manage. Para nang sa ganon, nagduguro tayo. Hindi tayo nagiging stunted, kundi nagbe-birth tayo ng fruit, nagiging blessing tayo sa iba. And therefore, we should not look at money as an entitlement, but it is a responsibility to manage and to grow para nang sa ganon, maging blessing siya even to other people.